Afternoon class. Today I will be teaching about the topic Role of Occupational Health Nurse. This topic is for BSc third year and this is from the UDIT on college occupational health disorders. So let us see the role of an occupational health nurse. But before going, let us see the definition of occupational health. Occupational health should aim at the promotion and maintenance of the highest degree of physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in all occupations. So, occupational health means that uh, the workers working in any profession, okay, any factories working in uh, big companies, okay, so they should have good health. They should have a good physical, mental, and social well-being. Okay, so their mental status should be normal. Okay, they should have adequate social well-being, social interaction should be there, and their health uh, should be very good. So this occupational health is the main purpose here is to promote and maintain these physical health, the mental health, and the social health of the workers working in any factory or working in a big company. So let us see the occupational health nursing. Okay, it practices in the specialty of practice. Thus, it provides for and delivers healthcare services to the workers and workers population. So, occupational health nursing is a field of nursing that is mainly important for the health workers, for the workers that are working in the society, and to provide health services to those workers, and to make sure that their health is normal. There is no disease condition or any occupational health diseases which are happening in the workers. So the role of a nurse are, okay, number one is specialist, number two manager, three coordinator, four like an advisor, five health educator, then counselor and researcher. So these are some roles of a nurse in occupational health. Okay, so for example, in multinational companies, okay, there are nurses. Okay, so we call them as occupational health nurse. So their main function is to act as a manager, to coordinate, to advise, to give health education about the disease condition, to counsel the workers, and perform research also. Next, the nurse's responsibilities are as follows. Number one, participate in health assessment program. Okay, awareness program, give health education, then provide nursing care to the workers if they are having any signs and symptoms of any occupational health disorders, then as a nurse you should provide care to the patient. Next, counsel the workers, plan participation in health programs, advise environmental sanitation, and carry out the nursing duties. Then work cooperatively with the health workers and also with the workers in the factory. Evaluate the health programs and activities and compile their records. So as a nurse, we have to maintain the records of those workers also. Functions of a nurse: physical and physiological assessment. So should monitor from head to toe, physical examination from head to toe should be done, and also check the mental health. Prevention of occupational and non-occupational illness like asbestosis or any lung diseases. Then provision for treatment, then provide treatment according to the sign and symptoms, and fostering a high level of wellness of the workers. So we have to provide education on how to maintain a good daily living activity, on how to work properly in the area, in the working place, and how to maintain good mental health. The aim of the roles of occupational health nurse: number one is to promote health at work, number two to protect the health of the worker, number three care for the work related injuries and illness, number four committed to clients' wellness, which involves health promotion, disease and injury prevention, health education, care and safety management. So as a nurse, okay, the role of a nurse here is to promote the health of the workers, to give education to the health workers regarding the occupational health hazards. Okay, then what are the precaution measures that we should take? Hand hygiene should be hand hygiene should be followed. Then protective equipment should be worn by the workers working in factories. Masks, eye shield, helmets, eyeglasses, okay, gloves, lead aprons, all these should be these should be followed by the workers. Then occupational health nurses, they work in a variety of settings, mainly the industries, okay, like cotton industries or food industry or any other industries, health services, commerce and education. They can be employed as independent practitioners or as a part of occupational health service team. So there is a team which is called occupational health service team. Okay, they consist of occupational doctors, occupational nurses, then occupational other health workers and practitioners. Okay, and this occupational health nurse, she is a part of the occupational health service team. Okay, and they are often attached to a personal or HR department. So the occupational health nurses, they work as a team with the other health professionals. Not only alone, but she works with other uh, members of the occupational health service team. Occupational health nurses are considered to be the leaders in public health in a workplace setting. So in any workplace, it can be in factories, can be industries, or it can be in multinational companies. Okay, so the occupational health nurses, they are considered to be the leaders in public health. Their roles are to prevent any health problems, promote health living and working conditions, understand the effects of work on health and health at work, and provide nursing care, first aid and screening. Okay, physical examination and mental examination should be performed. Next, workplace and workplace monitoring, health promotion, education and training. These awareness programs, like I said, awareness programs on on lung cancer, or awareness programs on um, any disease condition should be provided to the workers. They should organize. Next, counseling can be given to the health workers whenever they are in stress, or whenever they have mental problems. Then support should be given to the health workers, and the risk assessment and risk management should be performed. So that is the end of the occupational health nurse. Okay, so there are many roles of occupational health nurse in uh, in a working place. It can be in industry, it can be in a factory, it can be in a multinational companies, or it can be in schools and colleges, where she has to take care of uh, the faculty teachers, the students. Okay, so this is the occupation. This is the role of an occupational health nurse. So thank you, class.